Hi everyone. In the previous videos we have covered the two types of function, that is without argument and without return, and without argument and with return. In the without return thing, we have studied that the function return type should be void because we do not want to return anything and void does not return anything. And in the with return video we have learned that the type of the return type we want to return from the function, that should be the type of the function. If we want to return the integer from the function, the return type of the function should be int. If we want to return the character from the function, the return type should be character, and so on. So this video is all about the with argument and without return thing. There are also three things: declaration, return type, function name. So this is without return, so the return type should be void. Arguments, because it is the with argument. Definition, it is void because it is without return. Function name should be match, void, void. The number of arguments and the type of argument should be matched. At this point of time you just need to learn this thing, that the argument we pass in the function can be integer, float, double or character thing. And in the calling function name argument, the type of the argument and the number of argument should match in both of these: integer or character, or so on. You can do any combination in this. So now we'll move to code. This is our with argument and without return file. So we'll declare a function over here, void, because it is without return, and we'll name it abc and pass the integer type in a function. We just need to define the type over here. Do not declare any variable over here, just need the type, the data type over here, of which we want to pass in the function. Now we'll write the definition of the function, void abc. Now we need to declare a variable over here, because whatever type will be, whatever value will be coming from main function when we call this abc, it must be stored somewhere. Now we'll call this function int. We have declared a variable over here, int a is equal to 5. Now we'll call this function abc and pass a in it. A is a type of integer. This is same, and below we can declare b so that you do not get confused. We can also declare a over here, so it is b. Now 5 is being passed from this abc, semicolon over here, and 5 is catching in this b. Now we'll print the value of b in this function, printf. We'll print the value over here b. As the compile time errors, we'll just remove it because we do not have written semicolon over here, that is why. Now it's safe. We'll just run it. It is printed 5. Now you can see that we do not have any value printed over here, but we have value printed over here, this same value. So this all thing can be done with the help of function. One thing can be passed from one function to another function and another function to another function. So here what we have done, we have taken a function void abc, passed the argument int in it, and taken a variable 5 abc, pass the 5 in it, b catches the 5 and prints the value of 5. So this is all about with argument and without return. And in the next video, the fourth and the last type of the user defined function with argument and with return. Thank you.